it's been 2 hours now since simula yung sunog. And so far, as you can see, nag-white smoke na. So hopefully, in a matter of an hour, mapire out now. We are very grateful sa ating CDC, OCD, Office of the Civil Defense, DND, Department of National Defense. As you can see, bagay. At yung helicopter na pinadala nila, nalipad ng, I think, from the province pa all the way to Manila to augment the activities to suppress start combating Europe-fire and volunteers, the NDRRMO of Manila, the NPD, the Manila Traffic Parking Bureau, and so on and so forth. So I would like to thank each and every one of them. Now, the status, meron bang namatay? Hindi pa ho natin alam. Kasi wala pang reported missing. Baka chaotic lang. Kakakulong. Ang initial report, hindi pa namin nakukuha kung saan nagsimula yung anong dahilan ng sunog. But it happened in building 9. Started in building 9. So yun na muna. And we're also grateful to DepEd, our superintendent. I ordered an hour and a half ago to utilize nearby schools and barangay basketball court para akapin muna yung mga taong pamilyang biktima. And through J. De La Fuente at sa kay Vice Mayor Chia Chesa, sila na pinamahala ko doon. Kami naman dito sa fire suppression or mapapigil itong so far yun naman na nangyari. Yun ang update. And mukhang bumubuti naman yung sitwasyon. Then we can assess later on.
Mayor, paano po yung mga mapupunta sa ER since yung PGH po natin over capacity? Meron po bang hatang Manila hospitals na?
We have 7 hospitals. An hour and a half ago, I already directed Manila Health Director Grace Madilla as high alert yung ating ito ang 6 na hospital. And all the health centers nearby the area have been put into high alert. So we are ready. So far wala pang reported na buti na lang wala.
Nagre-ready pa.
Salamat sa ating mga piloto sa DND. Alam mo, nung dumating sila kanina, it really helps kasi as you can see, nagkakaubusan na ng tubig. It's not because walang supply na tubig. Hindi naman pang-abot yung mga proseso. Magaling talaga yung piloto.
You were saying,
but kidding aside, papasalamat kami sa PNP, sa volunteers. It really helps a lot. Kasi immediately sila yung nakita.
sir, you were saying hindi nagkaubusan ng tubig.
Hindi. Marami pa kaming tubig. The challenge is, yung mga nauna, wala na tubig. So that's why we created the zipper line so that the new fresh support or fresh supply of water will come in para yung pressure hindi masyadong mahina, mas malapit yung duktong, magre-relay, okay naman, awa ng Diyos, nangyari. We're very grateful na everyone is cooperative in the situation across agencies and volunteers, agencies of government and volunteers. We'll update you later on how many families. So far, ang tangan-tangan namin nasa 725 families na. ang tangan namin. Meron pa tayo nandito ngayon.
Thank you, sir.
750. 725. 784.
Thank you.